I have to mention U.S. Open women's singles tennis champion Emma Raducanu this evening. This precocious 18-year-old who became the very first qualifier to go on to win a Grand Slam singles title. And she won it without dropping a single set for the entire tournament. I think if the tournament was still going on now, she would still be beating everybody in sight. That is how good she was. But here what grabbed me about this new tennis star. And I got it from the utterances of her coach, who said, quote, "The biggest strength she has is her mind. Everything starts with the mind." And the mental strength she showed throughout the tournament, her ability to deal with adversity and compete, that is where it starts. The mental strength she has is truly special, end quote. Now that right there is something people don't pay enough attention to in sports. That intangible quality called mental strength. People talk about talent and ability to play and to run and to jump because that is what them say. But that special ability, that quality to cope with pressure and adversity, that is what is likely to propel Emma Raducanu to true tennis greatness ahead of others, such as the now faltering Naomi Osaka, who seem to be wilting under the pressure. Talk truth, talk truth.